Alright, man, y'all been asking and I'm finally gonna give it to y'all, right? So y'all been showing mad love on the perm videos, right? Mad love. I think my last video is about to hit 1,000 likes, alright? So if you want more perm videos, they gotta get a lot of likes, alright? Just so I know y'all really like the videos, alright? But today we're gonna be talking about, y'all see it in the title, the thumbnail, how to get a trim, alright? And I think I already have to go get another trim. My hair grows too fast, alright? So basically what she's gonna do, I'm only gonna get like half an inch off on the sides and the back. Y'all gonna see she does a specific way. Before this video starts, make sure you like, comment, subscribe with notifications. A lot of y'all don't have notifications on, but I'm providing y'all all these perm videos, so if y'all could do me a favor and actually like show some love back and watch all my videos, not just my perm videos, all right? But here's the video. Professor Barboza is here to teach, all right? So let me get the footage. Pulling up the footage. All right, guys, so that is how my hair looks when I wake up straight out of bed. Big old afro. I hate it. I hate it. But you just gotta get in the shower, then your hair takes forever to dry. I'm like, why? It just takes so good to go crazy. All right, so here we go. She put water on my hair, you know, make it all nice, smooth. Honestly, I love when, like, I don't know about y'all, but whenever I get my hair cut, it just feels so nice. I'm like, I just want to fall asleep and they're just going through your hair. Oh my gosh, it literally feels so good. So good. All right, but so yeah, you gotta wet it, make sure all the curls pop so she knows how much to cut off. Easier to cut everything, you know what I mean? I'm just assuming. I'm not a haircut. I don't cut hair, right? I'm just assuming that's what she's doing. The next thing, the final thing, this is what you're here for. So right here's a 5-minute clip of her cutting my hair.
Yeah. Well, how long is that?
How long is it?
It's a pretty good length right there.
Well, my hair looks nice, I'm not gonna lie.
How long is
Your hair is 6 inches.
6 inches. Look, there we go. Y'all asking me all the time, how long is your hair? How long is your hair? Oh, just watch the video. All right, all the people that are asking, it literally gets me so frustrated. On my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, like, I got videos for y'all. Watch my videos. My hair is 6 inches. When I first got my perm, it was 2.5. All right, if somebody asks in the comments any other video, Instagram, just tell them watch this video, please. Can you do that for me? Because it's just so frustrating. All right, 6 inches. And the fade, people ask me about the fade. I believe it's a 2 to a 0 mid fade. I think I'm just like, I walk in, usually I just walk in, same thing. I get the haircut, same haircut every time, so pretty sure that's what it is. Pretty clean.
Too much curl? Yeah.
So basically a question y'all have, how much can I cut off so I don't lose enough curl? Right here, this is where she's gonna answer. I was kind of scared because like I'm already going back to my straight hair. Like I don't know if y'all can see, but like it's a lot of it's coming back. And I need a trim though, because I was tired of it all touching my ears and everything. It bothered me. So I asked her, and this is her explaining.
It's just in the front.
Yeah, I was gonna say right here, it's pretty long.
Like in my eyes.
So just remember, because your hair is not naturally curled.
Yes.
So yeah, you're gonna lose curl, but
It's enough to get out of my eyes. So I'll have like this.
yeah.
So right there, I was about to cut off 2 inches. Now 2 inches, that's a lot. That is a lot of hair off. And I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to do 2 inches. That's a lot of hair. What if I what if I cut my hair and it just goes completely straight? And I was like, oh, I don't know what to do. I'm thinking right here, this is what I'm thinking.
We can do less and see how it looks.
Yeah, you do
Remember, it's wet, so
right.
I don't know if y'all heard her because my mom was covering the mic, but I'm only cutting on an inch of hair, all right? And watch very closely on how she cuts the hair, okay? Watch close. So I don't know if y'all saw, but she cuts it at the curl. So like, not just like cut the curl off, she does it at the curl. That's just something I noticed while she was cutting my hair. So it's still like I don't know. This is just something I noticed, right?
More footage is better than less footage.
How can I zoom into it? Where's the zoom?
Can we just take a moment, man? Like, how much I really glowed up. Like, I had my straight hair. Oh my gosh. Like, look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look at that fade. Like, it just looks so good. Like, I glue up. And then, video I'm shooting for y'all, actually, the day I'm recording this. I'm about to go get my ears pierced. So be ready for that video, okay? I'm about to go get my ears pierced. I'm not. Can we get 1,000 likes on this video for ears pierced video? 1,000 likes, and I'll drop you on the video. Deal? All right, bet.
Oh, okay. Sometimes it has like the button or something. How much say you cut off? About an inch?
1 inch. His hair is wet, so it's more weight down. So maybe with that inch off, it'll spring up.
Bring up a little bit.
A little bit more.
Yeah,
just to get it out of his eyes.
Yeah, because it was already like right here, like where the ridge of his nose is. And I was like, Julian, I was like, oh my gosh.
I hate that. Or like when I would go swimming, oh my god.
And you want to take some off all around?
No, just like a little bit on the side. Because I don't like when they put it in.
You want to do maybe like half an inch on the sides?
Yo, I'm looking all focused at me getting my hair cut, but yo, like she was saying, if y'all didn't hear it, basically, like, I don't like when my hair touches my ears. Y'all can see my hair's dry right now, right? So like, it kind of touches my ears. I already got kind of big ears anyway, so it's like, I don't know, it annoys me, but I'm starting to get used to it, whatever, but I just decided to go all the way around.
You went shorter on the sides, half of an inch?
Half an inch on the side. So we took
Hey, shout out to my mom.
So I'm going to go half an inch around here.
She getting all the questions for y'all.
All the way around. Just too long. Clean it up a little bit for him.
So yeah, she does it at the curl, not before, like, just watch.
And his hair's really thick too.
It has a lot of hair. Your hair doesn't get hot.
I just don't like when it's like after. That's when it's too much.
When you walk in here?
Yeah.
Like you walked in.
What a lot of people don't understand is that everyone's hair is different. Like, people walk into her salon asking, I want the same exact thing as Julian. Me and you do not have the same hair. I'm sorry. Like, some people have thinner hair, thicker hair. We do not have the same hair. So a lot of people want the exact same, all right? And me too. Like, whenever I watch videos, I want it just like that. You can try everything. You can do everything step by step by step. It will probably come out like mine, but just realize everyone's hair is different. My hair grows fast. We all have different textures, different colors. You might sweat more, you might have more oils, your hair might be more dry, your scalp, like, everything is different. So keep in mind, everyone is different, all right? I just want y'all to realize that. But if you follow the steps correctly, use the same rods. If you haven't yet, go watch my rods video. Should be fine. But 2 more announcements, all right? So 1, if you haven't yet, do me a favor, go cop the perm merch. Show some support. I'm making so many perm videos for y'all. If y'all could do me a favor, cop the perm merch. And 2, I'm gonna save that one actually, because that's gonna be a big video. I'm gonna save it, but it has to do with something going inside your hair. All right, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say too much, but I already said too much.
And if you would thin it out, Erica, like what would that do to his hair as far as like, because it's so thick, would just make it thinner?
I
Or is it even?
wouldn't thin it out because
now that he's curly, because all those little hairs, we're gonna make his perm bowl bigger.
Like a little cotton ball.
Yeah. And then when I go to perm it, he's gonna have shorter hairs in there, because remember it does.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
So I wouldn't thin it out. I'm already done for the day. I have to go. I might, if I get people. I only have 2 people to ask. But I'll let you know if I get more people. If not, I'll be in Monday for sure. What about the back? You want to leave that as is?
Should I use someone? Yes,
It looks pretty good though.
Is there any hair on the floor?
Yeah, a little bit. Let me see.
All right, guys. Well, that was it for the curls, but don't go yet. All right, do not go yet. Personally, all right, I'm gonna give some personal beliefs, personal opinions. All right, remember, these are my opinions. I don't think, like, if you're getting a lot of trimmed off, I think you're better off just getting the trim and then re-perming it. Right here, I only got an inch, I think, an inch off. I'm not too sure. I think it was an inch. But if you're gonna be getting like an inch and a half, 2 inches, you might as well just get that and then re-perm it, because you're probably gonna lose your curl. But another thing is, me getting this inch off actually made my hair curlier, and I was like, what the hell? Like, I don't know how it works, but somehow I think it has to do with like my hair being so heavy, something like that, or like just, I don't know, but I was like, what the hell? And it made my hair a little bit more curlier. So I'm not saying go get a trim and your hair's gonna be curly, but just something I noticed. All right, probably before September, I think, I'm not sure, I might go get a re-perm. All right, I'm not sure, don't hold me to it, but if I do, it's gonna be another perm tutorial, so I'm gonna need y'all to go crazy. I need crazy. My first ever perm tutorial hit 250K by the time y'all should be watching this video, and it's just crazy. It's 250,000 views about my hair. 250,000 people have seen my hair. Like, that's just crazy to me. I just want to say thank y'all so much. If you haven't yet, go show some support with the merch. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe with notifications if you haven't. If you watch the full video, just comment trim, all right? Just show some love that y'all really watch the full video. I need y'all to watch the full video. It's very important. If you know what, screw September. I'm gonna get my hair re-permed once I hit 20K subscribers. So until 20K, I'm gonna deal with this hair. I'm gonna deal with whatever until 20K. That's our goal. At 20K, y'all know y'all should be expecting a video, all right? So I have a goal. We all have a goal. We're a big old family, all right? So if y'all want me to get it done, y'all gonna have to give me the 20K. Is that too hard? I don't think so, all right? So, but I appreciate y'all for watching. And yo, let me know if I should be wearing some more of these. They're kind of nice, they're kind of spiffy. Hey, back to school video. Hey, low key, shit, I could go to school like, hey, back to school, get one of these, you feel me? Nice and clean.